Hello everyone, Mike with Fuse today here in our San Jose office by our electric stand. We use this stand as a training tool and also to explain to the customers what's going on with different parts of the wiring and equipment. So today I'll talk about the GFCI outlets right here. It stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. What happens is many of the old homes do not have this outlet. This outlet is very important because it can save your life. When there is a problem with the wiring or something, the outlet gonna turn off. It has a special sensor inside. Whenever that sensor detects that something is abnormal going on, it's gonna turn off the outlet. So it's a good idea to install these outlets obviously all over the house. They are a bit more pricier than regular outlets, but they can save your life. They're very good peace of mind equipment that you can put in different outlets. What's important to understand is this outlet, it can be installed with ground or no ground, especially if you have an older home. Obviously, yes, it's better to have ground, but you can also install this outlet without the ground and it will give you the full protection in case if there is any problem. Also save your equipment, save your life and many things. We do this installation all the time. We can install single outlet or multiple outlets and we can come to your house to do the assessment and see what's going on. You can reach out to our electrical department for the free virtual estimate and they'll give you quickly the price, how much would it be to do the service. And it takes just a few hours to do all of that. Depends on how many outlets you need to work on. I hope this information is valuable in terms of saving your life or having a peace of mind knowing that the outlets are safe to use and so on. Please go online and reach out to us to get your free virtual estimate and get more information about this. Thank you.